Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to download and install Office for your MacBook for free. So if you just want to do this, follow my video instruction. First of all, open the browser of your MacBook and type here download Office for MacBook. Whatever you just got here, which is Microsoft website, just go click to open and you can see we got the plans, but you can get it free. How? You can see we got try free for 1 month. It means you can just use it 1 month for free without paying anything, and this is completely good option I got over here. So I'm just gonna click on start your free trial. Now time to just tick this box and add a payment method, and let me add my credit card or card information here with these boxes. So let me fill them out. Once I done, just click to subscribe and just going to confirm the subscription, and we can wait for a few minutes. And here you can see it's now preparing the confirmation of my subscription. Once I done, just click to start using the Microsoft Office here on your MacBook. So everything getting ready for you for your MacBook. Now here you go, just go click on continue and install the desktop apps. Click on it and you will get download. Here you're just gonna allow it, and here you can see I'm now just downloading Microsoft Office to my MacBook. So I'm gonna cut the video and time to open the setup here. Just download it. So click to continue this setup. Let me close first of all the page, continue again, agree with this option and choose continue, install and enter the passcode of your MacBook and wait a few minutes and it's going to be installed, and you will get your Microsoft Office here on your MacBook. So you can see the installation was successful. We're gonna close and exit to check the Microsoft Office apps. So you can see I got Microsoft Excel, Note, OneNote, Word, PowerPoint or Outlook. I'm just going to open the Excel and trying out how is it working or not. I'm in the 1 month free trial version. So I'm just going to open it and you can see you all are set. We can use any option of this program here on our MacBook, and this is cool. Let's go ahead to check some of the options we just got here on Excel. Then I will just close the program just here on my MacBook, and I will go ahead to check the Microsoft Word in my MacBook. So I'm just going to open it, wait a few seconds and it's going to be opened. Click on start using Word, then click on got it and open a document, and here you can see this is working great. So this is all about how to install Microsoft Office to your MacBook for free. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.